On this side here, you're going to have the port that you're going to plug in your jumper cables into whenever you're ready to jump start your vehicle. And on the top, you're going to have a port that you can go ahead and screw in your cable to inflate your tire. It's got a standard port on here, and of course it comes with a bunch of accessories for bicycle tires or if you want to pump up your floats. It's awesome to keep on your boat as well. This thing has 2500 amps, which will jumpstart a truck. I believe it's rated up to an 8-liter engine or 5-liter diesel engine. More than enough for the average homeowner and the average DIYer if you're out about hiking, camping, fishing, swimming, biking, traveling, anything you want. This will replace your jump starter and your portable air compressor all at the same time. Check it out, links in the bio. Don't forget to like and share for more DIY tips and tricks and all interesting stuff for you around the house.